Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back to the vlogs. Today's video is going to be a vlog. I am going to take you through my day because I have a super busy day. So what I did is planned out my day last night, because if you want to set yourself up for success, girl, you can't be thinking in real time. You got to plan it out. So I put everything in my calendar. I'm already behind a little bit, but that's okay. So I'll put a little list right here of the things that we're gonna do. We need to work out, we need to obviously eat lunch, we need to read. It's been a while since I read a little bit. I also have to upload a video, I have to film a video, I have to take pictures for a brand, I have to clean my room and unpack. If you don't know, I just came back from a little mini self-retreat, a little mini self-care trip. So I need to do that. I have therapy today. So excited because, oh my God, girl, I need her. And then create some Instagram content / TikTok, and also have date night with Bae. And hopefully I have time to cook before date night because I kind of just want to cook something nice. Boom, super busy day. We are already dressed up for our workout. See if I can show you what I have on. By the way, those are the pictures that I'm gonna take. Where am I? Right here. This is the pictures that I have to take for the brand. Aren't they so cute? Oh, it really just elevated the space. All right, we'll talk about that later. I am only excited to show you my workout outfit because I typically do not put on workout clothes. I work out in my pajamas 90% of the time. But today we are feeling kind of cute. So we have this thing on, and on top of that, I will link everything down below, okay? But these are the tights. Everything is from Amazon, believe it or not. So today is leg day, and I don't like leg day. I don't like working on my legs. I don't know if anybody else out there is like me. Most people are like, oh my God, leg day, love it. Hate it. I wish I never had to work out my legs. I don't know if they're weak or something, but it hurts. Anyways, we're just gonna get it out of the way before I overthink this and not work out at all. So let's get ourselves some water and let's get to work out. So how am I doing on time? I think I'm doing okay on time. Nope, I am way behind. I am going to moisturize using my IMONatural body cream. Ugh, smells so good. If you haven't copped your self-care box yet, sis, I will drop a link in the description box for you. You have to smell this for yourself. Smells so good. And although it's a body cream, it is not very greasy. You know that greasy feeling, like just oil? No, it's not going to leave you like that. Morning routine is officially done. By the way, every single time I take off my bonnet, I'm expecting to see black hair. And bam, bam, there she is, just in her glory. My hair still feels so good. And it's crazy how well my wash and go is holding. I think this is, what's today? Today's Wednesday. I did my hair Sunday, or the stylist did my hair on Sunday. Shout out to you, Z, because you said this was going to last all week and you did not lie. My goodness, I still have like movement, I still have body. Now it's time for me to go read for half an hour. I'm literally just gonna put the half an hour timer. You should see my skincare drawer. It's so junky. I have to clean it out. Should I show you? It's not a reflection of who I am inside, okay? Just remember that. Yikes! Wow. Okay. This is something that we are gonna have to fix another day. Not today. Not today. So before I read, I just want to share with you the book that I've been reading. There she is. Stories That Stick by Kendra Hall. It's an interesting book. I would say it's very niche type book. If you're looking for something to read for leisure, just to pass the time, this is probably not the book for you. I'm enjoying it because it's helping me, how do I say this? Tell a better story, especially when it comes down to my sponsorships and stuff like that. So I never thought of myself being a salesperson, and if anything, I ran away from any jobs that was remotely in the sales area. But here I am being an influencer, right? So influencer marketing, I gotta market things. It's helping me do just that. Just think about, you know, the human aspect of selling. It's been interesting. I've used it with my IMONatural sponsorship to, the way that I deliver the message. I try to think about it outside the box, and you know me, I'm always trying to improve, trying to do things outside the box, and this is perfect for that. So anyways, if you're an influencer, I think it will be, depending on where you are in your journey as an influencer, I think it will be helpful. If not, don't read it. I don't know, don't do it. I'm going to spend half an hour reading, and then we'll continue on with our lovely to-do list. I've already worked out. Oh my god, is that all I did on the list? I feel like I've been at it all day, and I've basically checked what, 1 or 2 things off. Wow. All right, girl, look at my office. No, I hear you judging me, but don't judge me. It's an absolute mess. Okay, so I was away over the weekend, so I need to put these clothes away. I got a bunch of PR boxes that I need to go through, do an unboxing, I don't know. And then there's all of this that I need to just clean up. So before we do any of that, I need to post my video. So I'm gonna do that right now. Hopefully it doesn't take me too long, but you know, there's always like a last minute edit or something to do. I'm gonna do that, and then we'll clean up. It's only like 11 o'clock right now. I think it's 11:30. I feel like I've been working all day, but let me get this video out. Video's done. It's up. It's processing, actually. Let me just put it that way. Right now, I have 20 minutes before therapy, so let's clean out this room for 20 minutes. That's all we have. That's all I can give today. Oh, it's a mess. I didn't realize I shouldn't have booked such a busy day after therapy, because oh god, you guys, I'm having such a hard time processing everything that happened in Haiti recently, because it connects right to when my father passed away, and it was a time where I did not process the whole thing. But now, fast forward 10 years later, I realized that I not only did not process it, but I did the same thing that I'm doing now, which is burying myself in work and not taking the time to face the emotions, to feel them, to sort through them. I'm just like, ooh, I don't want to open the door. Let me bury myself in work. And it's not the healthiest way of dealing with grief. A lot of the time I just want to isolate myself. And yeah, all that to say, today was a hard session. I cried like a baby. But I'm basically trying to do the necessary work to deal with it all. I'm gonna see if I can take a breather before I dive back into work. And I just have so much to do today though. And if I don't do them now, when am I gonna do it, right? So, and then I have to take pictures or take content for Mobilia. I have to show you guys what it looks like. I don't know if I showed you yet. I wanted to take a film a video for my hair, take some pictures, and then cook for date night. So I still have a lot to do. I'm gonna see if I can push the Mobilia content till tomorrow. I told them that I was going to submit it today, and I hate flaking on brands, so I'm gonna see what I can do. Anyways, I'll figure it out. I'll be back later. Hi, baby girl. Hey, you. Hello. Are you ready to go out? Have some fun? Set? Good. Where are we going? Since when do we just run out the front door like that? Ma'am. Thank you. What a good girl. Let me grab my jacket. It's freezing out there. First of all, girl, you're so loud behind me. Okay, someone's ready. Yes, that is a sardine. She is very bougie, she. There we go, girl. Enjoy your lunch. And I am gonna have to make my own lunch. Lunch is served, my friend. All right, so complete change of plans. I decided to come to a home decor place because I want to take my pictures from Mobilia, but I still want them to be bomb, you know what I mean? And the pillows that I have at home on the couch just doesn't really match the painting that we just put up. So I'm out here. And I came to LD Shop. I don't know if you can see it right there. All other pieces are so pretty. It's expensive, but it's so pretty. And if I'm gonna do this, I might as well do it right, you know? So let's see what they have to offer. Let's go. What do we think? Doesn't that look so good? That looks so good. Oh, this color right there, wow, it's my favorite. Now I can take my pictures and it can look really good. Oh, I have to get rid of this too. Hold on. There we go. Woof, that looks so much better. All right, so I'm gonna fix up this area, take my pictures, and then I'll be done with this.
If you're interested in checking out Mobilia, they have some of the best pieces when it comes to furniture. Quality is excellent, style is on point. All of the paintings highlighted in this video will be linked down below, so be sure to check the description box, and happy shopping.
I'm done. So we submitted our pictures to Mobilia, thank God, all done. Took the pictures and they actually turned out pretty well. I'll probably put a little pop-up on the screen to show you what they turned out like. I really love this painting. Every time I turn around and look at it, it makes my heart happy. See this? Oh, makes me so happy. It looks so clean, so pretty. I will put the links down below in case you're interested in checking them out. No pressure, girl. As for me, I am going to wrap things up, make dinner, and probably end the vlogs here. I know you guys always want to see like the final dish that I make. I'm not making anything special. I am making quinoa with some vegetables, and I think there's some like steak in the fridge that Stan bought, and I'm going to season it and he's going to barbecue it. That's it. All right, well, thank you so much for hanging out with me. I will see you in my next one. And yes, girl, we need to talk about this hair. Every time I look at myself, I'm like, is that really me? But it is me. Anyways, bye.